So since we moved into the new shop over here in Placentia, we have been starting to take in some customer work. Today in the shop, we have John's GR Corolla back up in here. He actually found us through our YouTube channel, actually came in at our old shop, and that's where we did the Silvers North America install for their coilover system and the Apexy debut pre-order release titanium tipped exhaust. This car's got all of that. This car's just gonna keep developing more and more. He is possibly taking some parts off of our GR Corolla in the future. But to dial in some more rear camber, we are installing Cusco upper camber arms, and to tighten up that rear end,
I gotta bring my ass in for servicing.
because he said it does feel a little bit floaty back there, we are also adding the Cusco rear sway bar. This car is fitted with 18 by 9.5 plus 22 TE37 SLs on Falcon Azeni's RT615 case. It does still have the rear like 8 or 10 millimeter factory rear spacer that comes on this car. It is on it. But now we are off to Sun and go ahead and dial in some more camber. But again, we want to take in more work, and he's one of our first clients to do so. Besides suspension and footwork, we can also do intakes. We can do progressive engine builds. We do a lot of that stuff in-house. On that guy's GR Corolla, he actually came in and installed the eVenturi carbon intake. That intake is like super sick. It's very well manufactured. The weave on the carbon and the way everything bolts up is just freaking spot on. Hit us up for parts, installs, full builds. We do engine builds as well. We have a A86 customer that is coming here shortly. We've just ordered a bunch of parts from New Zealand and with a bunch of local suppliers for his build, so that'll be coming soon. Check in with us. We can get you great pricing on parts, and if you buy the parts from us, we also give you a break on the installation. We try to do our best to get more people in the door, and YouTube's been a great platform to be able to show what we can do and just branch out there.
All right, so it is 5:38 and we are headed to the Up Garage pre-open house. So they're doing this event the day before their grand opening to everybody in the public. They did announce it on their Instagram, so we are expecting to see not just industry people, but some of the local car enthusiasts, and they get to come and check out Up Garage for the first time. And this is Up Garage USA, where they buy and sell used and new JDM car parts. Ready, mamas? Yeah? Yeah, you were sleeping. Sit back. Yeah, that's you, dude.
She got cheats, she got smiles, she got business on the side. She got treats for them guys, when a baby out of town. Got sheets, got sides, funny business on her mind. He's so pleased with her life, mind her business, I want mine. Have a treetop, swinging my visa, put up a cool. With the party, sipping her coffee, epic up. With a clear eye, she too weird, I like a tattoo. Then it funny, but I wonder, hey, how many times can you say no winning and true? How many times, baby? How low can you go to keep blocking your one baby boo? How low can you go, baby? I wanted some land, I wanted some nigga move. But you on the train and I want this going to chew. She got cheats, she got smiles, she got business on the side. She got treats for them guys, when a baby out of town. Got sheets, got sides, funny business on her mind. He's so pleased with her life, mind her business, I want mine. Tea time, leaning like in pizza. Put them knees down, squeeze it like a breeze on. Got the teeth done, had to fill the crease up. Saw the sneakers by the door and realized it was time to go. Weighted blankets couldn't come for me. I'll need more to ever catch a seat. I keep wondering what I didn't see. She a damn good thief. She got cheats, she got smiles, she got business on the side. She got treats for them guys, when a baby out of town. Got sheets, got sides, funny business on her mind. He's so pleased with her life, mind her business, I mind mine. chance, make amends. I'll do the dance, I'll switch plans, try to make amends. She got cheats, she got smile, she got business on the side. She got treats for them guys, for them baby out of town. Got cheats, got ties, money business on her mind. She's so pleased with her life, money business on her mind.
Alright, so that's going to do it for the Up Garage event and the pre-open house meeting that they had. It was a massive turnout. Tons of cars, tons of people, and a hell of a lot of cops. So if you plan to do an event like that, do it the way Grady does, and the cops don't hassle you. There was no two-stepping, no burnouts, no nothing, but everybody was getting pulled over anyway. So that kind of sucked, but they had a huge turnout, so good for them. And today we are off to Willow Springs International Raceway to support our buddy Danny in the Apex USA Works Corsa ISC. We're rolling into Willow Springs right now. We're gonna go ahead and catch up with the rest of the crew. Nico's here, I think Chuck's still here as well, Heido's here, and Richard's getting the car prepped for race 3 of Danny's GLTC debut. So let's get on into Willow Springs. There's no shifter. It's got paddles. Wow. Alright, so unfortunately we couldn't get that line fixed before the final race of GLTC. Sorry to Danny, but the crew, Richard, David, Chuck, Heido, Nico, everybody jumped in to help, and we couldn't get that line repaired at the last minute. And it actually did get sort of repaired, but we couldn't bleed it out. So he couldn't get back on track with the working clutch. So that's it for this weekend. Thank you guys for hanging out with Just Driven and the Apexy boys. We're headed home. See you guys next time.
Are you even working on a car if you don't bloody up your knuckles? So since we moved into the new shop, get the fuck out of here.
And we're on our way to Up Garage, so we'll see you guys in a bit. I'm good. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
That's me.